Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, northwestern Jefferson County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Lauderdale, or 7 miles southeast of Villa Ridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Villa Ridge, Gray Summit, Lauderdale, Pacific, Ditmar, Cedar Hill, Cedar Hill Lakes, Morse Mill, Scottsdale, Burns Mill, House Springs, Parkdale, Murphy, Hillsborough, High Ridge, DeSoto, Antonia, Barnhart, and Arnold. This includes the following state parks: Sandy Creek, Ridge Historic Site, and Robertsville State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 251 and 257. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.